Okay, full marketing template for plumbers here. Hidden water leaks that can destroy a home in 30 days. You get the landing page. You can edit it however you want in Quentin. And then you get the thank you report and the whole setup, basically. So here's the outline. Here's the landing page. Then you get the guide, which I'll show you right here. It's a really nice 26-page guide. You can do whatever you want with it. I can give you the typeset link too if you want to edit this out. But it's pretty good to go as is and installed into the actual template here. It's delivered via the confirmation email. I have a node here for Zapier SMS follow-up if you want to add something like a blue text or some other tool like that for doing automated SMS or tie it to your SMS system. And then we have a 12-month email sequence right here. You can see it's all mapped out here in Quentin, and all the content is in each email. Basically gives one plumbing tip a month for a year. So this is pretty much a full plug and play template you can use to start generating homeowner leads. The other thing that I can include for you is the dynamic postcard template from Thanks.io that basically puts the picture of the person's house in the background, the recipient's home, and then it has this overlay with the puddle in the front. It says hidden water leaks. So if you want to use mail as a channel for generating the lead for plumbers, you can do that as well with the Thanks.io system, and I'll give you the link to that template as well. So if you want to access this, you'll get the full PDF report, you'll get the template here, you'll get the full campaign in Quentin. Basically this module, this view will be imported into your Quentin system. And then we have other nodes here. If you want to do this with Facebook or TikTok lead form ads, you can push them in here, and you can see here the QR scan from postcard node is all ready to go. But basically, this is the base. All the content is created. You just need to tweak the individual elements either for yourself if you work at a plumbing company and you're trying to generate leads, or if you're a marketing consultant or you generate leads for plumbers, you can tweak this up, and I'd be happy to help you do so. So just use the link or the call to action or whatever you see near this video if you want to access this right now, and you're definitely going to want to go create your free Quentin account so that you can import this in and start using it right away there. So again, the full 26-page guide, the postcard template, and the full Quentin campaign with the 12-month email sequence is included in this package if you want to download it and access it for free right now.